My positive peeps, have you heard of Causebox? No, I'm not an affiliate, but I love this. Now, this channel is all about positivity, happiness, and living the best life that you can. In doing so, one of the things that you will be thinking about, especially at Christmas time in this season where you'll be doing more shopping than usual, is buying products and looking for products that are sustainable and ethically sourced. So it's very much in the media now, and there's an awareness about being careful of where you buy your products. Okay, so every item in this Causebox is ethically sourced and helps create sustainable work for women and for people all around the world. So it's really, really great that they searched out these items. Okay, so let me tell you quickly about the Causebox. It is a lifestyle subscription box and it comes quarterly. Okay, so that means you get 4 boxes a year. When I joined, I also got a mini box, a bonus box. Each box has 6 to 8 full-size items and has a value of about $250. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's in here. And I'm super excited. I did see a little bit of the teasers online, but I haven't looked too much because I try to avoid it. I want a little bit of a surprise too, you know? Okay, so we've got a little bit of a book with information about each of the artists, and it's really great because they feature even people that have really nice talent from all around the world that may not have been discovered otherwise. So it says, we are creating a greener, fairer, and kinder way to shop. I love that. So beautiful. Okay, some coupons. There's some care instructions for some of the things here. Okay, and I'll show you that after. Okay, so as I open it up, the first thing I notice here is a beautiful postcard. Okay, so it's featuring art from Cynthia Kittler. Okay, so they do feature some really nice graphic artists, and I'll show you guys a little photo of that as well. Okay, so I have here a beautiful, I'm gonna open this up and I'll show you all the items. So I think this is a blanket or a shawl. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and show you. Okay, there's a tease glass tumbler, really cool. I'm gonna show you that. Looks like it has an infuser inside it. Organic basil, oh my gosh, that's so neat. You can grow your own organic basil in a little tin. Okay, so you can pay either for the full year, which each box comes out to about $44.99, or if you choose to pay monthly, sorry, not monthly, but seasonally, then it comes out to a little bit more, about $54.99. Okay, another item here that's really great is the brightening serum for your face. The box was a little bit open here. Really cool. I'll show you guys all of the items afterwards, okay? And you've got the De-Stress, the Aromatherapy Associates London De-Stress Muscle Gel. Oh, full size. You can see how cool this is. And like, I don't know, some people want to see the teasers. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention is that if you do the yearly, you get that discount, right? But not only that, you also get to customize your box a little bit. So sometimes you get to choose between different items, different colors of items. My mini Causebox, I didn't do a video on that one, but it came with a purse and you could choose between the colors. I believe it was like a tan color, a green, or a black. And I'll show you guys that as well. Okay, so here is a really neat set. It's bamboo serve set by Core Bamboo, and check this out. Like, it's got a little, it's for salad. You can pick up salad and you can also do your chopping. This would make a great gift. Not that I'm planning to re-gift anything. I hope nobody sees this in my immediate fam jam. Hi, Mom. Okay. Kidding me? Oh my God. So this is the waffle bathrobe in mint, and the other option was charcoal. Unbelievably cozy and superbly soft. Could end up being your new WFH uniform. Value $90. Awesome. Check this out. Isn't that cute? It's got a little carrying case to protect it. You take that off so you can wash it, right? The lid comes off. Sorry, it's got the ring to make sure that it stays airtight. You can pull this out. Careful, that is glass, okay? So your cat will knock it onto the ground. Okay, there, you just do a little twist and you can infuse it. You can put tea, okay? You can put fruit, whatever you'd like to put in there, okay? So the little blurb here, we've got the glass 3-in-1 tea and fruit tumbler, a convenient and easy way to brew, used for tea, coffee, or fruit infusions. $39 value. Again, make a great gift, but I'm keeping this one. Gift for me. Here, the board, bamboo. This is called, oh, sorry, sweetie. This is called the bamboo serve set. Prep and serve using this set made from one of the most renewable resources in the world, bamboo. Think about this, renewable resource, bamboo. And it's being used to create something as simple as this. That's amazing. The next one, the full-size de-stress muscle gel, a post-workout delight with pepper and ginger aromatherapy associates. Awesome. I'm gonna use this on, well, I was gonna say after all my kids after hockey, but they don't play hockey right now, so I guess I'll have to use it on me. Okay, so we have here the brightening serum, and this one is awesome. It is, okay, so it's for a nice glow for your skin. It fights free radicals and hydrates your skin, made with vitamin A and C. Really cool, full size. And the last thing was the Basil Grove, okay? So it's a really cute little set, and I'm not gonna open it. Right now I have my back porch is all kind of blocked in with plastic for the winter. So I'll be able to treat it almost like a greenhouse. So I'm gonna grow this back there. I'm gonna have basil all year. And it says here, the Herb Garden 101, freshen up margarita pizza or mix up your go-to salad greens with homegrown basil. Regular $10, okay. So everything together, if you add up the values, about $210, okay? So that's really amazing. They're all full-size items. And I mean, you're bound to, you're bound to have one item that maybe you're like, okay, I don't really need this. It's still worth your value, and it's still worth supporting these causes. And keep in mind, it does automatically renew at the end of your season or the end of the year. So you do have to pay attention. If you're not interested in continuing, you have to make sure you cancel, okay? So guys, that's it for today. Please leave a comment. Which item do you like the most? What do you think would lead to a more positive and healthy lifestyle? What would bring a smile to your face? What would you re-gift? Okay guys, so it's a different kind of video than I usually do, but the idea that everything's ethically sourced and promotes sustainability, I do like that. I do like the supportiveness of this. Okay, so guys, please leave a comment, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss my next video. I love you guys.